How to buy Ripple XRP cryptocurrency, easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can buy the XRP token. So let's get into it. Now, Ripple XRP is a crypto token and there are many ways that you can buy cryptocurrency. So if you are a beginner, this video is going to help you out a lot on how to securely buy your token and store your token. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, you will actually have to go on ahead and create a Binance account. I already have an account, but for creating a Binance account, you need a regular old email address. And with your email address, you actually also need identity verification. So for this, you would actually need a passport photo or not a passport photo, like any kind of identity verification. So your picture of your passport or a picture of your driver's license or a picture of your national ID card, whatever is suitable for you, you would actually need to provide a picture to Binance in the identification section. So when you're going to register your email, they're going to ask you for identity verification, and you're going to actually have to go on ahead and send a picture of your identity. And once you do that, they will actually take a couple of days. It can take up to a week for identity verification. And once they have verified that this is a person creating this account, your Binance account would be created. So once your Binance account is actually created, identity verification is completed, you can go on ahead to buy crypto tokens. Now, there are multiple different ways to buy crypto tokens. Let's say that you want to buy XRP, which is the primary focus of our video today. There are multiple ways you can buy that token. First off, you might be wondering, okay, I logged on to Binance, I created my account, it says buy crypto, and I want to buy it with my credit card. Why can't I just go on ahead and buy and enter XRP over here? So I can just enter XRP over here, enter the amount of dollars that I want to spend, and buy XRP directly from my credit or debit card. That is most definitely one of the most efficient ways to buy cryptocurrency. Just go onto Binance.com, go on to buy crypto, go on to credit/debit card, and then purchase directly via your credit or debit card. The reason that it is not recommended, however, is because it is going to give you high transactional fees. And even though Binance has the minimum amount of transactional fees, you will be buying at the highest market price presently. So you're currently going to be buying one XRP at the price of 0.36 USD. So you can see over here, you can enter however much you want. So let's say you want to spend 90 USD, whatever your credit or debit card holds, and then you're going to buy 246.6 XRP. You're just going to click on continue and enter your card information. So you can just click on continue, add your card information, and once you do that, your crypto would be bought and stored in your wallet on Binance. Now, that is one way to buy crypto. Now, I wouldn't recommend this way simply because you're going to not get the best deal and you're going to end up paying a lot more for a token that you could most definitely buy at a lower price. The better way to buy crypto, which would require you some knowledge, and I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to do it, would be to actually go on ahead, go onto your crypto wallet over here and click on Fiat and Spot. Once you do that, this is going to open up your crypto wallet on Binance. You're going to click on deposit, and then you can select your currency, and then you're going to do a bank transfer and deposit USD into your crypto wallet on Binance. Once you do that, you can click on over here and click on credit/debit card and change your USD, or actually just go on ahead and click on your wallet, and then you can exchange the money that you have in your wallet over here. So once you deposit it, you can go on ahead and transfer that money or buy USDT instead. So the reason that I recommend that you, instead of going ahead and buying directly off of your credit/debit card, you would actually deposit USDT or just go on ahead and purchase USDT. The reason for that is because you are actually going to get the best price on all of your tokens if you actually go on ahead and deposit your fiat money or spot a fiat into your wallet and then use that fiat to get USDT, and from that USDT trade for the token of your choice, which is XRP. The reason for this is that the market price is going to always be fluctuating, and with direct exchanges, you're going to be paying the highest possible market price. So to get the lowest possible market price, you can go on ahead and exchange your USD for USDT. Once you have USDT in your crypto wallet, what you're going to do is you're going to click on trade over here, and then you can also click on Binance Convert. And then whatever token you presently have, let's say you have USDT, so you can change it for XRP. So you can also change it over here, but that is another thing. That is also something that I don't recommend because you're going to be getting a good price. It's going to be better than directly paying off with your credit or debit card, but it is simply just not going to be the best possible price for you. And you can possibly get a lower price if you go on to a market exchange. So to actually go on ahead and get the best price to buy XRP Ripple, and the previous methods, if you're a beginner, if you want to do long-term investments, and the losses, like the 10 to 15% loss that you would incur if you buy at the highest possible price, is totally fine with you. I would recommend that you go on ahead and buy with the previous methods that I just showed you guys. If not, then you can go on ahead, click on trade over here, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to click on spot. And this will open up the spot trading chart of Binance. Now, don't be intimidated, although this looks very confusing. I'm going to guide you guys through step by step on what exactly you will need to be doing. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to select your token that you want to buy. So we're going to search it on the top right over here. And now what you're going to do is you're going to select XRP/USDT. And now we're just going to go on ahead, and you can see this is the XRP/USDT chart. And then once you scroll down over here, you're going to click on spot on the left side, and then you're going to place a limit order. What is a limit order? A limit order is an order when a price reaches a certain limit, then you can choose to purchase it. So you can see the current price is 0.36, but you can see according to this chart over here, it's very likely that the price will easily drop down to 0.34. And I don't want to buy at 0.36, I want to buy at 0.34. And let's just say that I was to buy at 0.36 and I wanted to buy 900 XRP, I would be paying 326 USDT. However, if I go on ahead and place my limit order, which I'm going to show you guys exactly how, at the price of 0.34, I would be saving quite a few dollars. I would be paying only $308 instead of the $326. So not dollars USDT, but you can see why it's so important to make larger trades on the trading platform instead of going on ahead and buying directly. So to put in your limit order, just in the price section, in the spot section, in the limit orders, you're going to enter the price that you want to buy at. So let's say I want to buy at 0.34, and then you're going to add the amount of XRP you want to buy. And then you're just going to click on buy XRP, and then your order will be placed and it will be put at the bottom of your screen. And as soon as the price hits that, your order would go through and then you would receive your XRP. Now, once you have received your XRP, they would be put into your crypto wallet on Binance. But for any person that is looking to buy crypto, the money that you have on the exchange is actually just a trading source. It's not directly under your ownership. It is being insured by the platform or by the marketplace. So the marketplace is holding that money for you. However, it is not going to serve as your basic wallet. So for that, I would recommend that you create a crypto wallet like MetaMask, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, or any other crypto wallet. And what you're going to do once you have your crypto wallet, and you can just download any of these crypto wallets on your browser extension, you're going to go into your wallet, and then once you go into your wallet, you're going to go into your overview. Once you have purchased the token of your choice, then you can click on transfer over here and transfer it to your other crypto wallet. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.